Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do something very fun. Since I paid like $500 for my hair, might as well dye it while it's bleached. Maybe you can't really see in the camera, it is getting a little bit less ashy and more yellow as time goes on. So I went out to buy some Manic pink hair dye, and I'm going to dye my hair pink today. So when I was looking for this hair dye, I saw it on sale at Walmart, but literally I drove to like 2 different Walmarts and they did not have this, and it was so annoying. So long story short, I bought it from Shoppers, and I'm really hoping that it goes on my hair nicely. I'm planning to mix it with some bleach. Oh my god, no, sorry, no. Oh my god, what am I saying? Oh my god. I'm planning on mixing some of this with some conditioner to have it less potent and less intense of a color. I was kind of wanting to get like a peachy pink or like a rose gold, maybe even, but I'm not sure if this is the right color for that, but we'll find out. My sister will be doing the treatment for me today. She's not a hairdresser or anything. So if Brad Mondo, if you're watching, don't be too harsh. So my sister won't be coming on camera today, but she will be participating via her hands. She's pretty shy, and not everyone wants their face on YouTube, which is totally understandable. So let's be nice. I'm really excited. I did actually have pink hair in 2017, but it was only for a hot second, and my hair was super short and ombre, so not like it was like full head of pink. So I'm really excited to see what it will look like on my hair, and I'm excited to see if it turns out kind of peachy, or yeah, I'm just excited to see what color it turns out to be. If I look a mess, which I don't think I will, but if I do, please don't hate me. I'm gonna go toss on this old black t-shirt and let's have some fun with it and let's see how it goes. Alright, let's go!
Something looks wrong.
Oh no!
There's a busted pinky. And action.
Nice. So we're putting 118 milliliters of conditioner because the bottle of Manic is 118 milliliters.
Okay, this is really inaccurate. Like some sort of radioactive material.
Like, why is it this color?
Plutonium.
Just do it in a circle.
The brush is too big. Go like this. Start. Start.
Okay, the camera gets it.
Camera don't get it. Now we wait for 45 minutes.
Ta-da! We are back, and this is the final result. I think it looks really nice. I really like it. I'll do a turn for you. It didn't turn out peachy or rose gold, but I can say that it does look kind of rosy. Like, it does look like has a rosy tint to it, and it isn't too pink, which is nice. I think we put the right amount of conditioner and semi-permanent dye in, so it worked out really well. I had so much fun, and now my hair feels silky smooth because it pretty much just had a conditioner mask in for like an hour, so it looks and feels pretty nice. The whole process was probably about an hour and a half, I would say. So if your hair is already bleached, it's not that much longer to do the rest. I will say that it was really helpful having a towel on the ground while we were doing it, just because my sister did drop a bit of product like all over the ground. I had a lot of fun, so I hope you guys had fun watching this, and if you ever tried it at home, let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed watching me dye my hair, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Okay, thank you once again for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, actually, bye. Look what I found in the washroom. Oh my god, look what I found. So gross.
Baby fingers. Baby Deadpool fingers.